Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, a returning investy bestie, thank you guys so much for coming back. I am a little congested. My allergies are kicking my butt, you guys. And I think the weather is playing a big part in it. Like it's really, really warm, and then it gets cold again, then it's raining. So pray for me, y'all. But if you're new, welcome. My name is Shalise. I am a mother, a wife, and I am an investor. I'm trying to get to financial freedom and I'm documenting my journey here on YouTube. So, no, I'm not a financial advisor. No, I'm not a fiduciary. I am an investor. I'm in the trenches. I share the accounts. I'm consistent. So, if you want some motivation, make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe. And beware of scammers and fake pages. WhatsApp, y'all know they're out there. When in doubt, send me an email, mommytradertube@gmail.com. Information is always below. So, May. When you guys see this video, May 1st will be tomorrow. Let me say that again for the people in the back. May 1st will be tomorrow when you see this video. When this video premieres on my channel, May 1st. I am telling you guys, I feel like April flew by. Now, I don't say that often. I'll say that the time is moving. But April, we started it like 2 weeks ago. Now we're at the end of it. That's what it feels like to me. We literally jumped from Easter to now. We're looking at warmer weather. Mother's Day, I think, is next weekend. So shout out to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day. And it's just a lot. So I am excited to share our monthly investment plan again. Because it's about being consistent. It's about staying on top of your goals. All those goals we made back in January. It is now May we're talking about. So because we know time moves so quickly, we want to make sure that we are making a plan for our money and specifically investments. So the start date for this tracking plan is May 1st. Now the end date, and I put a one here, should have been a slant. It should say 5/30/26. So excuse the error. But I know what I did. Instead of 30, it should have said the 31st. So error. I'm not perfect. But it's 31 days in the month of March, and it's quarter two. Quarter two. So it's really time flies. Time flies, it flies, it flies. We're in quarter two, and we're just going to continue to invest. So let's get going. Our investment goal for the month is about $3,500. This is always extra money. My husband and I are big savers. We don't have a lot of bills going out. So drive older cars. I don't have a lot of the crazy, crazy stuff that people would spend their money on. And so as a result, we get to save more and invest more. Okay. This is after tax, of course, when I do with this extra money. So I'll make videos like investing or updates, things like that. Okay. I do different like challenges on the channel. I'm doing a fidelity challenge or $1 a day investing challenge. I will be starting a challenge with my investing summer school group. So there's a lot going on. I love challenges. I'm a big fan of them. I think anything you can do to motivate yourself that can make investing fun, that can keep you inspired, especially when the market is red, please do it. And it works for us. So yeah. Expected dividend income in May, about 550. May is a low month. There's always like a really low month before a big paying month. And of course, June is a big paying month because it's a quarter end month. So, you take the highs and you take the lows. And then contributing to the Roth IRA. Yes, I am doing the backdoor method. So I just put this money every month into a high yield savings account. And then once I have it all, I will do one transfer for the backdoor Roth. I will film that process because it's a little bit different than contributing to a Roth IRA the normal way. When you do the backdoor method, it's like one transaction. So I will film a video. I will film a video. Over here is where I will cross off each day. When it's 31 days, I'll just put a slash here for 30 and just do half and half. Money affirmation for the month of May is financial freedom takes time. It takes discipline and it takes consistency. Time, because it's not get rich quick. It is not. If you want to do that, try, there's other options. That's not over here. It takes time. It takes patience. You got to give it a chance. The next thing is that discipline. You got to be committed. I don't know how to say it. You got to be committed to it. No matter what's going on, committed. And it kind of goes with consistency. You got to actually do the moves. You got to actually transfer the money. You actually have to invest because it'll just remain a goal. It'll just remain an idea if you don't actually invest the money. Okay. So that's my financial affirmation for the month. If you have affirmations, if you like affirmations, leave me a good one below. I'm always interested in hearing different ones. So let me know down below. Okay. My money inspiration of the month is the same from April. Increase skills that can save money. I've been getting heavy into gardening. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on gardening and I've been loving it. Right now in our garden, we have kale, lettuce, spinach. I have some lavender plants as well. Strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, mint. What else do I have in there? Peppers and cucumbers. And I love it. I have been loving the whole process. I do have a sewing machine, so I'm want to make new cushion or couch pillows for my patio furniture on the deck. And like little throw pillows. I want to make like throw covers for those as well. So it's really fun going to Hobby Lobby and looking at all the different samples. And it's great to be able to step away from the internet, social media, even the investment accounts, and really do something that brings me joy and gives my mind a break. So I've been really, really loving it. But it also costs money too. It also costs money, but it'll save money, right? If I know how to sew and mend and hem things, if I can grow our own fruits and vegetables and can them and freeze them and all of that, I love it. Down to pre-tax and after-tax investing. So this is all normal. This does not change at all. You can see it all right there, the 401k, the HSA. The fun fact is that the HSA at the job changed. They now contribute $1,200 a year. So $50 per paycheck, get paid twice a month. So $50 per paycheck. And they contribute $1,200 a year. So what is coming out of the paycheck is not even like we don't have to do like it's really it's cool. It's a cool perk. It's a cool perk. I love it. So I want to take advantage of any match. And if you get a match at your job or anything like that, take advantage of it. Even if you don't max it out, at least contribute up to the match. Okay. If your job is going to match $100, you try to put $100 in. It's free money. Yeah, there's vesting schedules and things like that, but definitely. And then of course we have the growth stocks, dividend stocks that we're focused on. I always leave this the same until I reach the goal. Now I have a big goal for SCHD or milestone achieve coming up. So that video I did film. Stay tuned for that. Coming down to stocks or funds that were near the share size goal. So I always carry this over because it takes time to build up shares. Visa is not cheap. So to get to 20 shares, it just takes time. And I'm just slow and steady wins the race. Same with SPYI, same with SCHG. And let me know what fund or stock you're near your next goal in. I love to hear, updates from you guys in terms of what you're doing. All right. How we are staying focused on our goals. Okay. So what I'm reading, I am reading some notes that I have set aside. I'm getting ready to launch my investment summer school series. I have been doing this for 4 years. These are extremely popular, like very, very beginner friendly. I meet with you guys a couple of times a month. Privately, of course, there's a spreadsheet that's included, a workbook that's included. I do private check-ins. This summer, I have gotten a couple of requests to do this. I'm going to open up an investment account from scratch. So like all of that is in the summer school. Is very basic, like what are ETFs? They're exchange traded funds, but I take you step by step. Dividends, taxes, all of that type of stuff. It's really like a refresher or like investing 101, okay? Like a summer school, right? What I'm watching, so my husband watched The Wolf of Wall Street recently, and you guys know I like watching financial or money-based documentaries or movies, things like that. You guys have given me some good ones over the years. But I have not. I think I've seen like clips of The Wolf of Wall Street every now and then, but I have never like sat and watched the movie. This is with Leonardo DiCaprio. But I've been hearing people talk about the one from the 80s with Michael Douglas. I think that's his name. It's called Wall Street, I think. I forgot. But people said that was a good one as well. So have my list. Let me know if you have any suggestions for like any shows or movies that you think I may be interested in that are focused like on finance, investing, debt, the housing market, inflation, the economy, like things like that. And then I'm still listening to Mel Robbins. I love her channel. Really good stuff on there. A lot of free stuff, a lot of her videos, YouTube. I mean, I follow her on was it Instagram? She's on all the socials. A lot of you probably even know of her. But I really do, like her. And then my grade for myself for the previous month is an A. So if you have this tracker, if you have the investment planner, whether you have the physical or the digital, this tracker is in there. So make sure you are using it so that you can stay consistent as well. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, you share, you subscribe. Tickle that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload every time I post a video. And if it does give you the option, make sure you hype the video. I really do appreciate all of your support, all of your love, all of your checking ins. Thank you, thank you, thank you, guys. Have a good week, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.